We live in an unpredictable and complex world. New technologies disrupt old business models. Developments in bioscience blur the lines between human and machine. Digital currencies disrupt old ideas of economics. Now more than ever, businesses need access to expertise across many disciplines. Imperial Business Partners is a platform that brings organizations from many different sectors together to develop deep, strategic insight into the issues facing the world today.
We've been part of the Imperial Business Programme ever since it pretty much started. The purpose of this is to expand our horizons, understand where innovation is happening, not only in this university, but with all of the network of partners which are part of the Imperial Business Partnership.
Imperial Business Partners delivers a range of inspiring events, from large conferences to exclusive events exploring the impact of science, innovation and technology on business, policy and society. This unique partnership between business and science acts as a shortcut to innovation, offering access to cutting-edge thinking and entrepreneurial talent, as well as preferential access to Imperial College's world-class academics and cutting-edge facilities. Join Imperial Business Partners today.